Today's episode is about shaping puppy behaviors so that we can create and shape the great obedient dog.
Welcome to Vanguard K9. I'm Grandmaster Von DeMuff, the world's greatest puppy imprinter and some of the world's greatest working puppies. I'm back today, and we're in the what you call.
I always meet and greet my adult and puppies with a welcome enthusiasm tone of voice.
Hey, buddy, yes. So now what we're doing, we're teaching a little bit of shaping behaviors. I see, yes. Good boy. Push it, yes.
This is the time that I like to teach my puppies the sit, the down, the stand, and positions.
Sit, yes.
I also begin to teach my dogs in English and French,
Down.
and this is also the foundation of my hand signals.
Shaping this motion of range at a very young age, I give the puppies a head start when their new owners begin formal training.
Yes. Taboo. Stand.
Having to move in these motions, if he would find going into the heel or between my legs or any other position very easy at an adult age.
Yes. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. Here. Yes. 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 We loving it. Yes. See the sit? Good boy.
Having a training program is important. Now it's time to open the prey drives, which will be used for protection later in life.
Go here. Yes. I see. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Couché. Yes. Got a little light distraction. We got K3 in here. Yes. So you want to try it yourself? So, why not?
I don't want to do it.
You sure? Yes. So y'all see the down? So the down is this is my, the way I bring my mitts, bam. You saw that? So it's down. And if I want him to stand, I bring my hand this way, yes. So over his head, I'm gonna bring it back and say, and I'm gonna bring the I see, yes. Good boy. And I'm treating every time he goes in position. Yes. This is what it's all about. Yes, good boy. Yes. Double. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. I think he's outgoing.
Prey games, play games, all build the bond and foundation to having a very obedient, well-trained, behaved dog. This is how I start my games.
So we're building drive now, look. Yes, good boy, yes. Yes, good boy.
All of my prey games are quick, fast, and over as fast as they begin. This is how you build a prey monster. If you're looking for working puppies, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and dial 904-450-3339. Your new best friend is waiting. Oh yeah.